Hey, good morning, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. We got video number 81, I believe, here. We got our earnings. I got in late last night, so I wasn't able to make a video, but we got our daily earnings yesterday, 0.31%. So I made $51.24. That was yesterday, which is Monday. On Friday, we got 0.33%, made it 54.41. As you see, guys, it's pretty consistent. The money's just flowing in with S Group. I want to thank a lot of people out there that have been sending me emails, asking questions about S Group, letting me know that they're thinking of joining the system. How do they join? I just want to quickly go over, guys. If you're thinking about joining S Group, what I do recommend, a lot of people that get into it for the first time, they usually just start off with like 100, $200 just to test out the system to see how it is. And then from there, you can upgrade. I mean, that's pretty much what I did. I started out with a couple $100. That was October 2020. And then as time went on, I just slowly added more funds to the account. And within a 6-month period, I put in about 5,000 USD. And I've been growing my account since then, October 2020. As you see, I'm currently at, well, I'm over 22,000 because I have money that I've earned in the last 5-6 days. So I'm over 22,000, but that's pretty much how most people go about starting, guys. So that way you can test out the system, trial and error, see how it is, see how it works, see all the different components of the system. When I started, it was just forex that you can invest in. Now there's multiple areas that you can invest in, which I'll quickly show you guys. Go underneath investments here. So you can invest in, when I started, like I said, it was just forex. Now you can invest in S Pharmaceutical, which is medical cannabis, medical marijuana. You can also invest in SIPO, which is various stocks that the company does business with that auto trades for you. Or you can also invest in liquidity mining, guys, which is their own token system. So these other three areas weren't available when I joined back in October of 2020. So yeah, so I just started, like I said, with a couple $100, guys. I'm now at 21,758. If I go down, if you take this amount plus this amount, this is how much money I have total in the system. So I'm over 22,000, and I'm like 22,080, something like that. And that's how much money I've earned all time, guys. 16,435. That's since October of 2020. And as I make this video, it's November 2022. So yeah, things are looking really, really well, guys. Of course, as you see this graph, this is what you earn daily, Monday to Friday in the system. And it does the auto trading for you, at least in the Forex section, which I'm invested in. It does the Forex trading for you. And we get our money 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday to Friday. The earnings that we have, that we make on our investment, we get that at that particular time, between only Monday and Friday, because the Forex market is open Monday through Friday, guys. So yeah, so if you guys, if this all sounds good and you're really, really serious about getting into the system, first you can click on the sign up link down below in the description. And you can sign up underneath my team, join my team, and then I'll explain and walk you through everything that is involved with S Group. We can kind of get a quick accelerated education on how everything works. And yeah, or if you have any questions, shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below. And I'll answer any questions that you guys have. I have my phone with me all the time, or maybe my laptop throughout the day, so I will be able to get to all your questions. And yeah, I'll be more than happy, guys. Like, this is definitely a life-changing system that has been showed to me by one of my buddies, and he's been in the system for a couple of years as well. He has a really big team, so he has a lot of money that he's earning, a lot of money invested, and everything. So yeah, guys, I highly recommend this system if you're just stumbling upon it or you've been thinking about it. Also, don't forget to click on the sign up link, the subscribe button down below in the description. That way you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can be informed of all the new videos and updates as I go along in the system. Yeah, it's just the red button down below. Click subscribe, and join my channel, guys. So thank you very much for checking out my 5-minute daily review video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.